Unraveling the meaning of healthy as a horse. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting English phrase, healthy as a horse. This expression is widely used, but what does it really mean? And where does it come from? Stay tuned as we unpack the meaning and usage of this vibrant idiom. Healthy as a horse is a simile that is used to describe someone who is very healthy, strong, and in good physical condition. The comparison to a horse highlights the animal's well-known attributes of strength, stamina, and overall robust health. It's an idiom that paints a vivid picture of vitality and resilience. The origins of healthy as a horse are not precisely documented, but it's believed to stem from the times when horses were essential for transportation, agriculture, and war. Horses that appeared strong and vigorous were highly valued. Thus, comparing a person's health to that of a healthy horse was a way of emphasizing their exceptional physical condition. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal contexts, although it's more commonly found in casual conversation. Here are a few examples. After recovering from a cold, someone might say, "I'm feeling healthy as a horse now." To compliment someone on their physical fitness, you might comment, "You look healthy as a horse." Remember, it's a positive expression used to emphasize good health or a strong physical state. While healthy as a horse is widely understood in English-speaking countries, it's interesting to note that different cultures have similar expressions using animals to denote health and strength. This makes the phrase not only a lesson in language but also in cultural perspectives on health and vitality. We hope this exploration of the phrase, healthy as a horse, has been enlightening and adds a fun, idiomatic expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like this one bring color and life to our language, making it more vibrant and expressive. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our future videos. Stay healthy as a horse, and keep learning.